Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I will be reviewing and swatching this liquid lipstick, and these liquid lipsticks are by Sleek Makeup. So this liquid lipstick glides on very well in just one application. I don't like this party pink. Party pink is a good color when you apply one light coat on your lips, very light coat, then it will look good. Or else if you apply more, this shade looks patchy. That's what happened when I was swatching. But all of these others are so pretty. It's very creamy and you can build the color, and I think for me one coat is enough, but if you want more dark then you can build the color. These lipsticks are gorgeous. So this liquid lipstick cost me $14 Australian, and I bought this from glamrider.com. I have shown you guys in my last video. Let's get started. No, not yet. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It's just down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also join me on all social media sites, my Instagram, my Facebook and my Twitter, which I don't use much, but you can follow me there too. And also join me on Snapchat. So I will link everything below in the description box, and let's begin.